Okay, 7th B, performance management and performance appraisal are two distinct activities in personal administration. See, anybody who has been saying secondary RC is not important, this is not important. See, majority of these questions, and paper 2 you'll see, majority of the questions are based on secondary RC. So secondary RC is not about information or data, right? It's not about current developments, but it is about the themes and the ideas, right? Which are perpetual to Indian administration or any administrative system. So performance management and performance appraisal, what is management? What is appraisal? See? Now see, performance evaluation wants to evaluate performance, punish people. Performance management is more about enhancing. Appraisal is what? Knowing, you are appraising it, right? You are knowing how people are performing. You're trying to understand the good performers and the bad performers and the underperformers and the overperformers. That is what you want to know. But ultimately, what do you want to do? You want to improve them, or you want to punish them, or you want to use simply this as a data. So see, performance management, PMS, performance appraisal, performance evaluation, and traditional annual confidential report, right? These were all based on what? The understanding of an employee's performance merely from the point of view of punishing those who are not performing and somewhere rewarding those who are performing well. This somewhere creates a disincentive structure in the system. What is disincentive structure? Right? People who are yes, correct. Fine. So these systems, right, are working on particular ideas. What are the ideas? That those who are capable must be promoted. Those who are not capable must not be promoted. Now, this is something illogical. Those who are not capable or those who are facing certain crises, it could be because of many factors, not just the skill. So what does performance management system does? It tries to enhance. It tries to create the environment. It tries to use the incentives. It tries to rewards people who are capable maybe but not able to do it. So it wants to find out exactly what is the reason why they are not able to do it, right? Rather than technical evaluation only, the evaluation is also done of the outcome. Evaluation is also done of the process and not just the technique, right? Feedback, correct. So 180-degree, 360-degree, 720-degree, new public passion, there are various models of enhancing performance, or RFD, results framework development by secondary RC. So feedback systems are created, right? Continuous monitoring and assessment is done. Assessment is not merely based on the end result, but it is based on the process, right? How people have been working, how committed they are, how ethical they have been, rather than simply talking about targets and projects. So see, this model is the changing model. Government today is no more using ACR. In government also we are using APAR, or we are using PMS, moving towards PMS now. Again, same recommendation of secondary RC. We have Sparrow model, right, used by the government for performance appraisal, right? Digitization of performance appraisal system. Or, like I said, RFD results framework development, Ministry of Labor, 2014-15 developed certain benchmarks for different ministries to follow in their organizations. We have Sevottam model, citizen charters, or excellence in public service delivery model, that is called Sevottam Uttam Seva, right? So likewise, we can talk about it.